Hi everybody, welcome back. So jumping straight back into Project Yellow, our XR6 is so far. So we've got all the side strips off, all that cleaned up, that's ready to go. We might even look at doing those side strips in a black. We've also welded in our washer here in this corner where the ram post sits, so we'll clean that up, finish that up, done a bit of rust around here still. Just filling in these corners, making everything look a bit prettier. I think one of the last things we're going to do here is to get all this old rubber glue off here, so we'll get stuck in that with a wire wheel. Most of that should come off pretty well. I'll have a peel at it first. I mean, it's on there pretty good. I mean, it's not meant to come off, so we'll play with that. Once we get into that, we'll sort of get those last few little things buttoned up, and I think from there we're on to pretty much our undercoats and that. Finish the last bits of gear, just the side skirts and the mirrors and things like that still have to be done. We can get in and then we get back into reassembly after the paint, but that'll be hopefully not too far away, but we'll see, have a play with that. But we'll keep on playing with this, get it done, and not too far off. Done a lot of work around the boot, filling in, fixing both sides. We had to line off this seam line that was up here, as it is done on the other side after the original repairs, but once we've spray painted all this, we can see, gives us a good indication where we're at. There's a bit of a high mark here from where our join line is, so we're going to get stuck into that, pull that out, fill all that in. We'll respray that, so we'll get that happening today. We'll get that all sorted now, and then we can move on to the final works and preps for undercoat, and then we'll finish the gear off inside, and then hopefully we'll have the car painted soon.